loving ya. I love ya. I love ya.
I love to wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without wording. The day is gone. And sometimes I take a walk, then I forget about the clock. I can slow down. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on rapping. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun.
All right, we're back in Nassau. Look at all these cruise ships that are in port today. I think it's like 5. All right, welcome to Nassau. We're in the straw market. I can't wait to show you. We're back in Nassau. We were here just a couple of months ago, but this is a spectacular place just to walk around in. And we're going to show you the new part, all the new stuff they got, the new stuff at the Nassau port, and then we're going to probably swing by Junkanoo Beach. Make sure you're getting off the boat in Nassau because it's amazing and spectacular. Welcome to Nassau Bahamas. Here we are, yes. All right, we just landed back in Nassau. We're taking this brand new pier out to where the new area is. I want to show you what it's all about here when you're coming in, because they've been working on this decking and this walkway, and out here they got new shops. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour and stroll through there and show you what else is all about here in Nassau, the biggest cruise port in the world. There's the Disney Wish. That's a massive ship. And there's the MSC Magnifica and the Carnival Liberty, all in port here today. Now you can see why this is the busiest cruise port in the world, at least in the Bahamas. There's a lot of people here today. You get 5 ships in port, you know it's gonna be busy. The Magnifica. All right, and this is brand new. This screen I've been looking forward to seeing. Look how high def that is. You can see the animals swimming in there in the ocean. That's incredible. 3D, it's like they're coming out at you. That's incredible. Oh, here comes this octopus. Whoa, that is awesome. Look at that thing. It's like it's coming right out at you. That is amazing. Comes a shark. Wow. That is insane, man. Keep shutting and it'll open back up and it'll be something else. So here's the main area. There's taxi tours. Just walking down in here to see what it is all about. This is brand new to Nassau. There's the Museum of Junkanoo. Here's ground transportation if you want to get around on your own. But I read about these. Oh, look at this. It's Christmas time. There's the Christmas tree. And these are really cool. These are all like your little shops area that is brand new. Shirts, but we're heading to the real straw market at some point today. There's beach bags. Oh, it's beautiful. They put some palm trees in here. This is nice. So here's some of these shots. You can see they got all kinds of, here's unique stuff. Here's some shells and some t-shirts. This is kind of like the straw market at the port. This is Dust. You did an amazing job here in Nassau, Bahamas. I hear music down here somewhere. Oh, here you go. This is the hair braiding that they got. Step right up and get your hair done. Over there's Limeade. Something Bites. Linda's Place. Chase and Tail. Linda's Place, Bahamian. Best Island Food. Look at this. There's the pineapple shaved ice. Ice cream, tropical flavors. We go down through here. There's more shops on that side, it looks like, too. There's restrooms. You can see how close you are to your cruise ship there. There's Shore Break. I don't know what that is. These look like more high-end stores. Man, this is huge. It just keeps going on and on. I wish the sun was out. You could see this a lot better, but here's the music. Nobody here right now. We'll catch that a little later. Oh, there's gelato. Iola gelato right here. Artesian gelato. Blackbeard's Island. There's the rum cakes of Nassau. All right, here's where you grab your buses. But when you come out of the new area, it brings you right out on Bay Street right here. And there's so much more here. Bars. Oh, you got to check out Tortuga's rum cakes. Oh, man. 5 ships in port today. It is packed. You can see that new area over there. They got that new pavilion there they put concerts on. There's a Pirate Republic craft brewery. Plenty of beer in this town. See, there's where you come, you want to spend the day. Look at all the daiquiris in there. The daiquiri bar. Sharks also put in here. This is a downtown tour of Nassau and Bay Street. I love what they did here. This is amazing. We're going to show you the straw market. That's a must in Nassau for sure. Oh, there's a guy selling Cuban cigars. Uh-oh. Brandon, he saw you. All right, my son just got sucked into the cigar place. You got no shortage of places to shop. You go all the way down Bay Street. Right here is the new area. You can see they've done a fantastic job. I love it, Nassau. I love what you did here. All right, when you see this building, you know you're at the straw market. Do not pay full prices. Do not point at anything because they'll try and sell you everything. It's an experience. I got a camera. They won't interrupt me too much, I don't think. All right, here we go. We're going in. No, not that one. Go in the middle. All right, I'll follow you. If you see any of my hats, let me know. There's the straw market. You got anything and everything in here. Look at this place. All the way down these aisles. Now, let me tell you, this place is huge inside. You couldn't walk in here. Now, in the middle of this, there's kind of like a little food court or something. But you can get anything souvenir related in the straw market. I don't know where my daughter went. But we got a meeting place. Make sure you have a meeting place because you can get lost in this place pretty easy. Here's more. Look at all this hand carved. They do a lot of carving here in the Bahamas. A lot of this stuff. Look at all this. It's crazy. Let's walk down this way. Hi. Just be polite. They're very nice, these Bahamian people. And you can see they're making handcrafted stuff in here. That's why you come to the straw market. Handcrafted goods. This is kind of like the center area I was talking about. They got more, obviously more craft stuff. And I thought there was like a food court in here. Again, it's so big, you can walk in here for days and not see everything. I wanted to climb up to the top and show you an overhead of the straw market. Look how big this place is. And it goes this way. It goes over on the other side. I'll tell you one thing. This is a beautiful building in itself, the straw market. You like architecture, maybe you come up the steps and take a look around. There's the steps to get up, get that overhead shot you might be looking for. That's all right. I want to show you out here because this is one of my favorite places. The farther side from the port, they got like handcrafting and carving. And usually you'll see guys out here carving stuff. I bought many a thing in here. All right, this is the entrance to it. But you'll see guys like this carving. Look at that thing. Is that a turtle?
No, there's a baseball cord for reef.
Oh,
There's a
okay.
piece of cord like waking on.
Nice. It's making a piece of coral there. Look at that. What kind of wood is that?
Mahogany.
Mahogany. Don't let that thing slip, man.
If then I ain't got no family jewels.
That's so true. But man, he's working on that thing. That thing's gonna be spectacular. You can see his store kind of like when it turns.
There's a reef like that one that I take fish on.
Oh, okay. So that's what he's making like this right here with the reef. I bought one of these groupers the last time. But look at the size of some of these carvings. It's incredible. You can't beat handcrafted stuff when you're here at the straw market. Let's just continue on down here just so you can see the volume of stuff here in the market. Again, walk down this way. This is where all the carvings are. You'll find turtles. There's some sharks. And look at all the drums they got. Oh, those are neat. Baseballs. Winston still around? No?
He's still carving, but he don't be around no more.
Oh, yeah?
He carving over the hill, but he don't, that was his stall right there.
I bought many things from him. This is what I like about the Bahamas, man. If you can't find it here, I don't know where you're gonna find it. I love this. Does this scream the Bahamas? The pink buildings they got? I don't know what this building's for, but over here's a green one. But look at the gardens in here, and out here, you walk out here and you can kind of see some of the overlook. This is as far as you can go from the new part that they put in. If you remember, Bay Street used to be right on this water. This was all water they filled in. Now you can kind of see they put a nice walking path. Right over there is Senor Frogs, you can see it. And that's over there is Luca Kai, which is another bar area. There's your cruise ships. And this is the new area. I hear them up here. Sounds like they're practicing maybe. Here they come. Let's do a 180 around these guys. Look at the colors. It's magnificent. And this is the new part I just showed you. But like I said, you walk to the very end and that's where the straw market is. All right, when you're in Nassau, you gotta get one of these, a Tortuga rum cake. I'm looking for one of my favorite plate guys. He used to pull up on the side of a boat and you could get some ceviche here, right here. But look, man, they got all kinds of shops right now. This is cool. I'm glad they let them do this. There's coconuts. There's Senor Frog. Right there. That is the world famous Senor Frogs in Nassau, Bahamas. All right, when you get to Senor Frogs, you turn left and you'll find a sidewalk that goes up past Bay Street. And this is how you get to Junkanoo Beach. We're just gonna walk up here because we're hungry. And I'm hoping my famous guys here that I'll always get the best jerk chicken place. All right, and also along this walk, as you're gonna see once we turn this corner, is Margaritaville. The famous Margaritaville in Nassau, Bahamas. So you knew I was coming here. This is the jerk chicken place I tell everybody about. And guess what? They're cowboy fans. Welcome to Junkanoo Beach. There's the world famous daiquiri bar. This is the happiest guy on the island right here. Look at this guy in the pouring down rain. He is having a blast.
Praising you, Jah.
I love
Singing
it, man.
hallelujah. Hailing you, Jah.
Yeah.
Thanking you, Jah.
All right, here is the jerk ribs and look at this rice. All this stuff. Oh man, it looks amazing. Look at that. That's chicken ribs. I don't know what all that is, but it looks good. Dig in. Tell us how it is, Brandon. Come on. Just pick the thing up. Here we are enjoying our rib day, chicken day. Don't miss this chicken and ribs even on an ugly day.
Forever loving ya. I love ya. I love ya. Forever loving ya.
Yeah. All right, this is the global portiere, but look at all this. There's your rum cakes in here. This is heading back to the ship now. If you want to get a last minute souvenir, they got all kinds of stuff in here. Look at all the pottery. Look at this. These are beautiful. Just stunning, this pottery, the detail in these plates. Nothing like some Caribbean music in the Bahamas. Well, even on a rainy day. Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Oh, this is the happiest guy, I tell you, man. This is that Junkanoo Beach. Oh, I love it.
Thank you, Ja. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Ja. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ja. Love ya.